Looking for trees. Oregon forest. Lots of trees. Pretty trees. It's just. Come on down. There he is. In the brush. It's nice and dark. Can you see him? Oh. He's going for a tree. Come on, tree. Oh. Trees. Tree is down. Good job, Dan. Can you see him in there? Well, we're getting there. Let's see. Night shot. Now I can see it in the night. We're on the green light thing here. They're all green. So only I can see the tree. There's our first Christmas tree. We need 2 more. So this is going to do for the night. Okay. Yeah, nice job, Dan. You got a tree. Happy days. Thank you, Dorothy. Thank you, Dan. Good job. It's snowing. That's an 8-mile marker.
8-mile marker.
Jason likes to snow, huh, Jason?
Yep. Can't wait to throw a snowball in Dan's face.
Uh-oh. That's what he lives for. That moment.
His only purpose on Earth so far has been to throw a snowball in my face today.
Jason.
In your face.
Okay. Good job, Dan. Chelsea. Jason.
Hi.
Hi. Dan. It is seriously snowing out. Chelsea says she likes this tree. This is the tree? Go for that tree. Good. Snowing on you, huh? Olivia in the snow! Okay, you can turn it off. Red button. Winter Wonderland. It's really pretty, actually. Capture this. It's gorgeous. Come on, tree. Yay! Good job, Dan. Good Dan with the tree. Tree number 2. Good job. I feel like an Eskimo. There it is. Oops, out of the way.
That he cut down?
Yep, that's a tree. We got one more tree.
So we need to get one more tree.
Yep. Good job, Dan. Jason before I killed him. Stop! Hey, Jason. Got pretty far up there, huh? That's good enough. Time to come back down, I think.
I got past the snow part, so. Yeah.
There we go. Another tree. Yay. Good job, Dan. Good job, man. Yay! The Christmas tree.